Good morning guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm on my way to my office. So it's another day, another work, another opportunity to go to work. My thoughts about what is happening right now in the world, the Philippines. Kaibaw naman muna, bago lang. Actually yesterday, nailinog sa Mindanao. Medyo kusog-kusog sa to. About mga around 7.6 if wala ko na sa'yo. So medyo kusog-kusog ito, but right now wala pa mga news kayo ng gawas regarding sa extent sa damage. I personally believe medyo daghan-daghan itong damage kay kusog-kusog mag itong alinog. The alarming thing is bago lang galinog pod specifically here doon sa akong lugar, Cebu. So mga few weeks ago naglinog pod mga around 6.3. Wala ko na si Piat. In fact, makita man ninyo sa news na daghan og damage somewhere sa north, which is Moy Center sa linog. Na may mga aftershocks, traumatizing, especially if naakay family. Just have to deal with it, and then you just have to pray, especially right now that I know daghan families karon nag-suffer. Let's just have to pray because we don't have any other choice but to ask help and ask for strength to overcome this crisis. Worry ko because kabaluman mo sa news na there's a problem with corruption in the Philippines. So the government right now wala gyud siya budget. Kay kabalo naman mo asa padulong ang mga kwarta. There may be budget but I don't know if ako na siya nga budget, especially daghan kayo og tabanganan. So kita man nato pod na especially sa Cebu wala kayo nagsalig donation sa assistance coming from the government. We are just sending our help within ourselves. So in fact nagpadala mi og mga relief going to the north few days after the earthquake. So the government doesn't have really enough money, just to be honest about it. Karon wala kay kwarta ang government, asa mo siya magkuha kwarta? For one, is through taxes. So expect the taxes to be a little bit off, especially sa mga small businessmen or mga business. Kay asa man kuha og funds ang government right now. Talk to mga several business owners, medyo muna one major worry nila karon aside from the stability sa business, sa economy, mga disruption, and then investments. There are a lot of kanang foreign investments ni suspend or cancel their investment. So mata ka blame because they see us here na ay problem with our corruption, especially with government. So they would rather give their investment to other countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam. Right now very improving countries in terms to the Philippines. Mas stable sila. So if I were an investor, I would rather put my money kung asa ang stable na government. So mawala to ako ang ma-share as of now regarding what's happening around us. So thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and please do follow me, follow my channel for more thoughts, insights about anything. So see you and have a good day.